Hello guys, today we are going to destroy this contra washing machine. So let's see what we will do. Throw some gas in and see. So it has a false axle, so like I don't wanna spend money on a new axle, and I just decide to destroy it. Let's see now. It unplugged itself. So guys, I set the connection in the drawer. So now let's close and get this out of the way, and let's see what will it do. Let me just set you up here. So the belt fell off, and like, let's fix it. And like, now it should work. Oh, sorry. So what happened is the control bar get loosed and it fall off. Also with this, and the only thing that I really hate about Contra is that they didn't make a cutout for fixing the belt. Like, really, washing machine isn't made for that what I do, but in some situations it can fall even if you're washing like normally everything. So now I will fix everything back, and let's see. So I put everything back like it's how be. so it unplugged itself like before. So the one shock absorber did like break or something. We got a bump here. The door has broke. The tab splitted itself, as you can see. Everything inside, I think it's like normal, like I don't know. So this is splitted apart. Now this is broken, that in here. But like, oh, I forgot to. So we got like again new bumps here, and let me fix everything back if I can. If I can't, I will like end the video, but stay. I think it will be some kind of surprise in the last second of the video, so stay. So I put it back, everything like it have been, cause I want to make another shot of it breaking itself at every point. It unplugged itself again. So I want another shot to make like it falling apart. So let's start. Oh, wait, I have someone in the front door. So let's start. I know it's like boring, but I will make another one because I want everything to fall off. So let's start. And you better be like falling apart like never. And let's see the final damages that happened. So first thing I want to show you is that this fell off. This is broken, like as I said. This thing too. The tab is like broke more, and this things it got new bumps, and like that's all. Bye.